Entertainment by Video.
I think this year medyo special kasi nga 5th year na, so may reunion ng mga filmmakers from 2005 to 2000 and even last year and this year, parang ganun. So that's the difference.
I'm very relieved and elated dahil ilang months kong pinagtrabahuan siya alone sa kwarto ko. So, I mean, to hear the reaction is very satisfying.
Itong pelikula to, nabuo ng pagkakaibigan, nabuo ng samahan. Lahat ng mga artista, hindi nagpabayad, sumuporta lang. From isang tulad ko na walang experience sa filmmaking, hindi pa ako nakagawa kahit short film. Sarap lang nung feeling na may mga taong nagtiwala sa talento ko, kung ano pwede kong gawin. And sana, tuloy-tuloy na.
This is the first film that
This is the first of many.
you intend to produce.
Oh yes, oh yes. Kinakabahan ako. I didn't know what was going to come out of the movie. I've seen it a couple of times, yung aming mga previews lang sa amin, sa grupo namin. But I wasn't quite sure how it was going to come out. And alam mo yung nanonood kang may kaba bawat minuto. I'm just so proud. I'm just so proud at mabuhay ang Cinemalaya.